Welcome back to WinAirvideo. Today, we're heading to the East End to break down the latest on the new Costco development and the big Catherine Street rebuild happening behind Walmart and Home Depot. If you've been driving past this site lately, you've seen some massive grading, new road alignments, and utility trenches taking over what used to be vacant land. So what phase are they in right now? Who's building it? Are they on budget, on time, or already behind? And what does this mean for your commute and your property taxes? Stick around. This is one of the most detailed, up-to-date looks at the project as of January 3rd, 2026. The project sits on roughly 33 acres just north of Tecumseh Road East and west of Catherine Street, directly behind the existing Walmart and Home Depot off Lozon Parkway. At the heart of it is Windsor's second Costco, a planned 160,000 square foot warehouse, about 30,000 square feet larger than the current Walker Road location. The busy South Windsor Costco, located at 4411 Walker Road south of Cabana Road and north of Provincial Road, is Windsor's original warehouse club, serving shoppers from across Windsor, Essex, and even drivers coming over from Michigan. Operating hours at the Walker Road Costco are designed for flexibility. Typically posted hours list Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., Saturday from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Parking here is well known to locals. There is a large surface lot with customer parking and accessible spaces close to the entrance. But regulars know it can be tight during peak times. The lot fills quickly and traffic flows constantly in and out of the gas station area. The new East End Costco should be open this year. But this isn't just a Costco. The site is being developed as a multi-purpose commercial hub that includes retail, a gas station with 16 pumps, and a future restaurant and service pads. A quick ask. If you're enjoying this kind of informational update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share WinAirvideo, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next update on Windsor's biggest construction projects. I really do appreciate your support. Thanks. To handle that commercial hub, the city is extending Catherine Street westward through the Forest Glade North Secondary Plan area and is adding new collector road connections between Tecumseh Road and Catherine Street, including the northerly extension of Roseville Garden Drive. As of early January 2026, the project is in the late site servicing and infrastructure phase. Rock Developments Inc. has been handling land assembly, grading, storm and sanitary sewers, water mains, and road base for the entire Costco servicing parcel. Rock has said they were about 50% complete by September 2025. And they met their target of turning the infrastructure-ready site over to Costco around mid-December 2025. That means Costco's own construction crews will be on site, working up the building pad and starting foundation and shell work for the warehouse. The overall project timeline still points to a 2026 opening, with many local reports and developers hinting at a mid-2026 grand opening, assuming no major weather or supply chain delays. Rock Developments has said they're right on target and that they compressed what should have been a 4-year land and infrastructure job into about 28 months. Impressive. The infrastructure portion is being funded through a mix of city support and developer contributions, and as of this update is on budget. City Council approved over $19.6 million in city funding for land acquisition and infrastructure upgrades, including roadwork, storm and sanitary sewers, and utilities. Rock Developments is contributing roughly $10.7 million towards that same infrastructure package. The Costco building itself, the warehouse, gas station, and internal systems, is being paid for directly by Costco. Right now, crews are focused on finalizing road base and grading for the new Costco Plaza and access drives, completing stormwater ponds and drainage systems to handle runoff from the large parking area, installing water, power, and communication services up to the Costco lot line, advancing Catherine Street's westward extension and the new connections to Tecumseh Road, which will become the main Costco access points. So what does this mean for your wallet? The direct taxpayer exposure is mainly in that $19.6 million city contribution for land and infrastructure. That money comes from the City of Windsor's capital budget, taxpayer funded to be sure, but not from a new tax hike, and is being spread over multiple years as part of the city's broader 10-year capital plan. The city frames this as an economic development investment by front-loading infrastructure for dozens of acres of vacant land for future retail, commercial, and service uses that will generate property taxes and development charges over time. Importantly, Costco is paying for its own building, equipment, and internal systems, while Rock Developments is covering its share of the $130 million plus infrastructure and land assembly package. That means Windsor residents are only footing the bill for the portion of the roads and utilities that will serve the whole corridor. Traffic is already changing in the East End corridor. The current construction phase has created lane restrictions, detours, and occasional backups along Tecumseh Road East and near the Catherine Street access points, especially during rush hour and weekend shopping peaks. Once the Costco opens, traffic impact studies for the Forest Glade North Secondary Plan area project over 200 additional peak hour trips just from the Costco serving parcels, with 1,000 more trips expected from future development around the site. However, the Catherine Street extension and the new collector road grid are designed to spread that demand across multiple intersections instead of dumping everything onto Tecumseh Road. Long-term models suggest the road network can handle the projected growth through 2045. But short-term congestion is expected, particularly on weekend mornings and holiday periods when Costco shoppers flood the area. Some residents and community groups have raised concerns about increased traffic and noise in nearby neighborhoods, especially around the Serbian Cultural Center, whose access is being altered by the Catherine Street extension. Congestion on Tecumseh Road, and whether the city is doing enough to project local access while prioritizing big box traffic. Long-term parking pressure, and whether the 1,400 plus parking spots planned for the Costco site will be enough on busy days. On the flip side, city officials and developers are calling this a catalyst for East End growth. The city emphasized that this project unlocks dormant parcels, creates hundreds of jobs, and boosts retail tax revenue for the municipality. Public reaction is split. Many shoppers are excited about having a second Costco closer to the East End, while some locals are frustrated with construction delays and the perception that big box interests are driving road network decisions. So the question is, are you excited about the new Costco or worried about the traffic? Your feedback helps shape what we cover next, so don't be shy. Leave a comment and I will reply. Like, subscribe, share, and hype WinAirvideo. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next update.